Hi, this is Mark B with Liberty Management. I'm here today to show you the house at 8403 Blackstone Cove in the Escondido North subdivision. This will be the condition of the home as of July 12th, 2018, about 3:30 in the afternoon. We are located off of I-10. You're close to Loop 410, also near Randolph Air Force Base, as well as Fort Sam Houston. We got a nice large corner lot here, a house with brick on 3 sides. Got a 2-car garage here with a garage door opener. We also have a tankless water heater. The house itself is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Square footage is roughly 2,050 square feet. Take a look inside the home. This home has been lived in less than a year. We'll do a quick layout of the floor plan before we actually walk the home. Right at the entry we have a large living room, kitchen. To the right behind the staircase will be the dining room and the half bath and access to the 2-car garage. We have beautiful vinyl plank flooring throughout the first floor, easy to maintain, waterproof. Nice neutral colors throughout the house. So we got a large living room space here, and all of the blinds are remaining. Also looks like we have about 9-foot ceilings. Kitchen area here, we have a breakfast bar, so you can see the overhang here. You can put some stools, use it as an additional eating surface. Lots of cabinet space and counter space, including the fridge. We got the gas stove, built-in microwave, dishwasher, and the dual sinks. Nice recessed lighting here. It's a very nice kitchen. Then we have an open dining room here. Fit a large size dining table. That is the door to the 2-car garage. It does have a garage door opener, and then we have a pedestal sink and your commode for your half bath. Take a look outside. Have a covered patio here. You can do some barbecuing. And then we have a very large backyard fence. And you got a side yard around the corner, good sized side yard. Okay, let's head upstairs. We'll do a layout of the floor plan upstairs as well. So upstairs we're going to have 3 bedrooms and a large game room here at the top of the stairs. And my immediate left is going to be the master bedroom, game room, and then 2 bedrooms, hall bath, and the utility room. So we have a large game room here, second living room, here is bedroom number 2. Both these bedrooms have walk-in closets. Here's your closet right there. Bedroom number 3. There you have a similar walk-in closet. Here's the hall bathroom. We got the vinyl plank flooring here as well. Commode, a shower tub combination with a tile enclosure. And then you also have the upstairs washer and dryer connections. Makes it really convenient. You don't take your laundry downstairs, wash it, and carry it back upstairs. Everything's located central location. You can see here the ceiling is raised. And then last but not least, the master bedroom. Master bedroom about 18 feet by 14 feet, so quite large. You can see we have a good sized bed here. You have room on either side for additional nightstands. You have room for dressers, treadmill, a desk or a sitting area if you'd like to set up. Lots of space here. And then the master bathroom with that same vinyl plank flooring. You have dual sinks, commode, a very good size walk-in closet, additional storage here, and a good size shower tub, garden tub combination, again with the tile enclosure. It's a very nice house. If you'd like more information about this home or like to schedule a showing, my name is Mark Fee. My cell number is 210-618-9161, or you can contact the office at Liberty Management at 210-681-8080. And if you already work with a realtor, it's set up for easy showing and a centralized showing service. Thank you.